starting to get ready to put up some overhead cabinets here. They're small, but they'll hold canned goods and smaller items. So start by making a pattern. As you can see, this pattern isn't very good. So I have to see what I need to trim out here. It needs to be much squarer, so let's bring it up like this, and like so. And then we'll test fit that, and then keep refining it until we get a good fit right here. Okay, I've refined it down, and now what we've got is we've got one that fits right in there. There'll be brackets here, L brackets, a bracket here. Then this is the bottom area. Then we'll have the face frame going down. So we'll be able to attach in here. This will be a cutout right here to attach in here. This metal, attach metal here and here. And so that should be strong enough. With a 1/2 inch base, 3/4 inch ribs. And here's one of the finished pieces. You can see it'll go right in there. Cut out for the wiring to come through. And then where my 1/2 inch is. Anyway, the face frame will be out here, like so. The ceiling will come down into here, butt up to that, and wherever my 1/2 inch piece is, I have no idea, but the 1/2 inch will sit up under here, like so, between ribs, which will give me all my storage area. Then there'll be a 1/2 inch shelf under here that attaches up. It'll be glued and screwed in to make it extra strong. So it's not going to hold a whole lot, but probably 30-40 cans of soup. So this is the first one that's ready. I'm just going to make 4 more just like it. There'll be one way over here, one here, that's 3, 4, and 5. Then up underneath here will be 2 lights. One for the sink, one for the stove. 2 flush lights. Okay, making some progress on these top cabinets. These are the dividers. I have one more to put down here, which is right, well, can't see it, it's right there somewhere. Right there. So one more to put in, and I'll put the bottom in up under here, and then I'll put the face frames on, and then I can go in here and do whatever I want to in there. Well, here they are, almost done. I still got to figure out what I'm going to do for the interior there. Probably nothing much. Doesn't need a whole lot. And I got to figure out my doors. That's going to be interesting. Let's see. The ceiling is the 1/4 inch, and as you see, when I butt it up, as long as I can get a good clean cut, Shouldn't be any seam showing. This should be nice. Underneath, this is all going to be sanded and clear coated like crazy because the stove's right there. So we're going to get a lot of heat right here. So I'm thinking about coming back with maybe a piece of aluminum or something to put up here, and putting a small 12-volt fan in that corner, blowing it away from the bottom of the cabinets, because my fantastic fan will be right there. So that's only 4 feet from the stove. So I'll just have that on high when I'm cooking too. That'll be a while yet, it's not even hooked up. So everything is coming together. Oh, I'm tired though. Alright. Stick around for the next section. When you're doing a budget build, there's things you have to put up with that you normally wouldn't have to. And one of those things is material warping. Warping from the factory. When you pick it up at Home Depot or Lowe's, it's already warped. So you have to keep in mind, as you can see, that you can use this, but it has to be screwed really well to a surface. As you can see, this is the bottom of the upper cabinets. This is where the lights go. There's 44 screws total holding this and the face frame up on the upper cabinets, not counting the screws holding the brackets and the partitions. So there's probably 60-65 screws just in this one unit. So it's not going anywhere, and it's not as warped as it was because I left it overnight attached, and now I'm just clear coating this bottom. So keep in mind, if you've got some warped material, you can use it, but it's got to be screwed to a solid surface, something that'll keep it straight, and over time it'll straighten itself back out. A local friend asked me if I was just throwing this shuttle together, you know, like they build at the manufacturers, just a few staples here and there, and I said, no, I'm trying to build a little stronger. So I said, let's see how strong it is. So I grabbed here. Things are falling off the shelves and nothing's moving. So I would say this is pretty strong.